Next, we will prove an important theorem in the case of countable and uncountable sets. That is, the set of all rational numbers is denumerable, which means the collection of all rational numbers are countably infinite, and which in turn means that the set of all rational numbers are countable. We already know that rational numbers are numbers of the form p by q or m by n, where m and n are integers and n not equal to 0. From that onset itself, it is clear that in order to prove the set of all rational numbers as a denumerable set, we need the set of all integers or the set of all natural numbers. If we take ordered pair mn as a number which corresponds to m by n, we can certainly form a relation between the set of all rational numbers or positive rational numbers together with the set of elements in n cross n. Also, we have proved that the set n cross n is countable. So, which in turn means or gives us an intuition that the set of all rational numbers are also countable in some sense. But without a proper proof, we cannot proceed. We have an intuition that the set of all rational numbers are countable. We need a proper proof. So we use certain theorems which we have already proved to prove this important result. First, we will write the set of all rational numbers as q plus union q minus union set to 0. Q plus means the set of all positive rational numbers. Q minus means the set of all negative rational numbers. And 0 is the 0. So Q can be written as the collection of all positive rational numbers union the collection of all negative rational numbers union set at 0. What we are trying to prove is, in order to prove Q as countable, we will prove that Q plus is countable. If Q plus is countable, corresponding to every rational number m by n, there exists a negative rational number minus m by n. So if Q plus is countable, we can safely assume that Q minus is also countable. Set 0 is a singleton set which also countable. So we have finite union of countable set, which means that Q is countable or denumerable. So the only thing which we need to prove the fact that set of all rational numbers is countable is that Q plus or the set of all positive rational numbers is countable. So what we are trying to prove is, we will prove that the set of all positive rational numbers is denumerable. So to proceed formally, I already gave you an intuition. The set of all positive rational numbers are of the form m by n, where m and n are natural numbers, which can be written in the form ordered pair m by m comma n. So that is what we are assuming. Since n cross n is countable, it follows that there exists a surjection from n on to n cross n, because we have already proved the equivalence condition that a set is countable is equivalent to saying that there exists a bijection from n on to that set, which is equivalent to saying that there exists a surjection from n on to that set. Here we already know that n cross n is countable, so there exists a surjection from n on to n cross n. You should know that the set n cross n is not chosen arbitrarily. The choice of n cross n comes from the fact that every element in the set of all positive rational numbers is of the form m by n, where m and n are natural numbers, which is similar to an ordered pair m comma n. So corresponding to every ordered pair m comma n belongs to n cross n, there exists a rational number which may not be unique, because 1 comma 2 gives the answer 1 by 2, 2 comma 4 gives the answer 2 by 4, which is also same as 1 by 2. So the set of all positive rational numbers can be somewhat related to the elements in n cross n. That is why we are choosing n cross n. So n cross n is countable implies there exists a surjection from n on to n cross n. And if we are able to define a function g from n cross n onto q plus, which I have already told you, which maps every element of the form m comma n into a rational representation m by n. That is, g of mn should be equal to m by n, where m and n are natural numbers. Since m and n are natural numbers, m comma m by n is always a positive rational numbers. And also this is a surjection, because corresponding to every element in q plus, every element in q plus is of the form m by n by the definition of q plus, and m and n are natural numbers. So corresponding to every element in q plus, which is of the form m by n, there exists an ordered pair m comma n, which is an element of n cross n. So g from n cross n to q plus, which is defined as g of mn is equal to m by n, is an onto function from n cross n onto q plus. We have already defined a function onto function f from n to n cross n. So now the thing which remains is comparing these two functions. So we take the composition g composition f, which is from n to n cross n, which is what f is, and n cross n to q plus, which is what g is. So g composition f is a function from n to q plus. Since g and f are surjections, its composition is also a surjection. So the composition g composition f defined from n to q plus is a surjection. So by the equivalence condition, if there exists a surjection from n to a particular set, that particular set is always countable. In this case, that particular set is q plus. So we can say that q plus is countable. So if we define a function from q plus to q minus, which is defined as m by n onto minus m by n, we can safely say that there are as many elements in q plus as there is in q minus. So since q plus is countable, we can assume that q minus is also countable. So the set of all positive rational numbers and the set of all negative rational numbers are countable. So Q can be written as the union of countable sets or the finite union of countable sets, which by some examples which we have defined and discussed in the definition of countable set, we can safely say that the finite union of countable set is countable, or the finite union of countably infinite set is countably infinite. So we can say that Q is countably infinite or denumerable. So to sum up the whole thing, we have to prove that the set of all rational numbers is denumerable or countably infinite or countable. We have separated the set of all rational numbers into set of all positive rational numbers union the set of all negative rational numbers union the set 0. Then we will prove that the set of all positive rational numbers is countable. For that, we use the set n cross n. So we have defined a function f from n to n cross n, which is a surjection, which can be defined since n cross n is countable. Now we have defined a function from n cross n onto q plus, defined by g of mn is equal to m by n, which by definition is always a surjection. If we take the composition of g and f, we get a function from n to q plus, which is also a surjection. So from that, we can safely say that q plus is a countably infinite set or a denumerable set or countable. Similarly, q minus is also a countably infinite set. The union of or the finite union of countably infinite sets are countable, countably infinite or denumerable. From that, we can prove that the set of all rational numbers is countably infinite. This is what the proof of the set of all rational numbers is denumerable is all about. Thank you.